Good morning, students. Today we will represent two or more lines in the same graph. Uh, by that we get a enclosed region, shaded region. Okay, that is important. How it became closed. Okay, just we directly come with this exercise 6.3, question number 2. Two inequations are given. 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. So as I told, we have to draw equation of the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 and x is greater than equal to 1. We have to draw line x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Okay, so I have drawn here x is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, x0, y6, x0, y6 1.0, 6, and if we put y0, x is coming 4, so 4, 0 is another point. By that we have drawn line. Now as I told which portion to be shaded, we will take a value either this side of the line or that side of the line. So I have taken this one, compatible 0, 0, this side of the line. If I put here 0, 0, 0 is less than equal to 12, satisfying. So shaded portion will be this. We will not shade now, we will just get the region by giving arrow. Arrow of the which side should be shaded. Okay, you can make a half shaded line like this. Okay, this is not final. Now we will draw x is equal to 1. This is the line x is equal to 1. This is the equation of the line x is equal to 1. Then x is greater than equal to 1 means this portion. See, I have given arrow this side. Means this portion. Shaded will be this portion. So for that we get combined portion is this right now. For this line and this line, combined region is coming this. Now another y is greater than equal to 2. So y equal to 2 greater than equal to means again this side. Now finally this is the combined shaded region. And this answer you have to give. You make slight shaded from this, shaded from this and shaded from this. And finally which region, enclosed region coming, that you have to make it dark. Okay, so that is the means. Once again, this greater than equal to all the points of this region will satisfy these inequations. 3x plus 2y less than equal to less than equal to 12. All the region x is equal to 1. All the region, this region satisfy x is greater than equal to 1. All the region satisfying y is greater than equal to 1, and this region is satisfying all three inequalities, all three inequations. So this will be the solution of this. When you are drawing two lines, earlier you have solved linear equation in two variable graphically. There we will draw two lines. This point, all the points of this line satisfy this equation, all the points of this line satisfy this equation, and this will be the common point, will satisfy this as well as this. So we write solution of this is this, that we have done in class 10. So similarly here also, whole region will satisfy this, again whole region will be satisfy this, whole region satisfy. So this region will satisfy all the three inequations. Now see question number 10. We have two inequations given. 3x plus 4y 60 less than equal to x plus 3y 30. X is equal to greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0. Now see, this is very common thing. No need to draw a graph. X is greater than equal to 0 means this whole region, upper part of the x-axis. And y simultaneously y greater than 0 means this part of the x-axis. Combined region will be the first quadrant. These two combinedly given the first quadrant. Our answer will come in within the first quadrant. That we have to, no need to draw. By seeing these inequations, we understand our answer, our required region will come in first quadrant only. If it is exceeds first quadrant, then we have to set the first quadrant only. Remember, okay? So combined equation is 3x, corresponding equation is this. So as usual, here data are large. So if we put x0, y coming 15, y0, x is coming 20. So I make scale, change the scale. We take 10 small division, 5 units. Okay. Then 10 like this, then we'll do. First of all, 3x plus 4y equal to 60. You must write, after drawing line, you write the equation of the line, not in equation. In equation is the region, not the line. In equations will be the region including the line. So what happened? So again 0 0 satisfying this equation. If we put x0 y0 satisfying means this portion to be shaded, but it will be limited up to first quadrant. So we'll set this one only, this first quadrant only. First quadrant below this. Okay. Now next, x plus 3y equal to 30. So we draw the line, then x plus 3y less than equal to 30 with this line, and again first quadrant it will come to this line. Now common portion is coming, common region is coming this one. Okay, so common region for these two is coming this one. Okay, you dark that common region, that is in our answer. Okay, so this is very simple, all can do. One more questions I am doing. Question number 13. Question number 13. Our inequations are 4x plus 3y less than equal to 60. Corresponding equation is 4x plus 3y equal to 60. Then if x0 y coming 20, if x0 y coming 20, if y0 x coming 15, so you draw the line. This line is 4x plus 3y equal to 60. Now 0 0, if we put 0 0 here, satisfying means shaded will be this region, shaded portion will not shade. We can, and one more, x is greater than 0, y 0. We can roughly shade only this region, not this. Okay, this is the region of this in equation, and x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Okay. Next, y is greater than equal to 2x or y is equal to 2x. Okay, so here if we put x0, y coming 0, if we put y0, x0, so 0 0 1 point. By that we cannot draw the line. We have to take one more point, because the 0 0 1 point we cannot draw. So take some value. If I take x5, y coming 10, so 5 comma 10 is another point. Now we will draw the line. Okay, once again, where we will satisfy which portion will be shaded. Take any point, we cannot take 0 0 other point. Take this one, this point is 5 5. Put here 5 5, y5, x5, 5 10. 5 is greater than equal to 10. So 5 5 not satisfying means 5 5 not satisfying. This is the point 5 5 not satisfying this in equations. 5 5 is not satisfying this. So the shaded portion will be opposite of the region. This region not satisfying means the opposite region. Okay, so shaded portion will be this. So shaded portion from this next equation will come this. And finally, x is greater than equal to 3. So draw x is equal to 3. Okay. Then x is greater than 3 means this portion. Now finally, this portion is coming common. This is our answer. The common portion will be, you dark this one. Okay. So you complete this exercise, and one more class I will take for solve the miscellaneous tomorrow. Thank you.